Well, you see a new way of...
Bill Posters is innocent.
Yeah, they got them in San Fran, still running.
So this particular tram was built and put into service in June 1913 and operated in North Sydney line between 1917 and 1956.
Wow. Where did it run to? Long Bay.
Just have a look at the quality of the workmanship and stuff in them, the woodwork and the fitting and all that. So we already had a look inside this carriage, but the reason it's all like that is it was actually a prison transport tram to Long Bay. Imagine just taking a tram ride sitting on the outside like that, just step up on it, just get some fresh air.
Awesome. It's pretty amazing.
Awesome.
It's pretty amazing.
Awesome.